Going to Bali? Here's how a couple can travel to Bali. Now when you get there, many tourist delights await. And many scams do too. So don't take the airport taxis. Walk out of the airport and get the Meter taxis instead. Your partner may be your bestie, but to move around Bali, motorbikes are your real best friend. You can either rent one or use apps such as Grab or Gojek to get around Bali. As much as you may want to go on a restaurant for a date and get those cliche pictures that no one wants to see on their timeline, warungs are way better for your pocket. You can experience these street-side stalls with authentic cuisine and fresh food without breaking the bank. Want a drink to go with your meal? Stay clear of the bars and go to the mini markets for some bintang instead. Forex charges can really inflate your trip's budget, so carry the Niyo Global card. Save every time you swipe the card with its zero Forex markup. Plus, it gives you lounge access and allows you to locate any nearby ATMs. It's a win-win. Many trips can cause fights, and for that, there's always retail therapy. Ensure you shop at only local markets so you can save your energy for haggling with shopkeepers instead of fighting with each other over your spending. So there, I taught you how to save money and your relationship. You're welcome.